Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is futurology the study of? Is it A. Science fiction, B. Drugs, C. The future, or D. Palm reading? The answer is C. The future.
Futurology, the study of the future, isn't about crystal balls or time machines. Instead, it combines science, technology, and sociology to predict trends and possibilities. Futurologists analyze data to forecast everything from technological advancements to societal shifts. Their insights can influence policymaking and innovation strategies in various fields worldwide.
Question 2. An animal is a fish if it has what? Is it A. Gills, B. A tail, C. A vertebrate, or D. Fins? The answer is A. Gills.
Gills are the fascinating respiratory organs that allow fish to extract oxygen from water. Unlike lungs, gills have a large surface area with thin membranes, enabling efficient gas exchange. This adaptation lets fish thrive underwater, where oxygen levels are much lower than in air, making them true aquatic marvels.
Question 3. What is the medical term for the eye condition marked by redness, excessive tearing, and itching? Is it A. Glaucoma, B. Cataracts, C. Myopia, or D. Conjunctivitis? The answer is D. Conjunctivitis.
Conjunctivitis, commonly known as pink eye, can be caused by bacteria, viruses, allergens, or irritants. Interestingly, the condition is so contagious that it was once responsible for grounding an entire airline flight when a crew member developed symptoms mid-air. Despite its alarming appearance, it's usually harmless and treatable.
Question 4. A young deer is known as what? Is it A. A spiderling, B. A pharaoh, C. A fawn, or D. A joey? The answer is C. A fawn.
In the enchanting world of deer, a young one is called a fawn. These adorable creatures are born with white spots on their coats, which serve as natural camouflage against predators. Fawns can stand within 10 minutes of birth and are known for their playful antics as they explore their surroundings.
Question 5. What is agrostology the study of? Is it A. The brain, B. Existence, C. Grasses, or D. Clouds? The answer is C. Grasses.
Agrostology, the study of grasses, delves into a world where over 10,000 species thrive. Grasses are not just lawn ornaments, they form the backbone of ecosystems and economies. From bamboo to wheat, these versatile plants provide food, shelter, and even musical inspiration. Think of panpipes made from hollow grass stems.
Question 6. Who was the first man to go to space twice? Is it A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Neil Armstrong, C. Alan Shepard, or D. Virgil Grissom? The answer is D. Virgil Grissom.
Virgil Gus Grissom, the first man to journey into space twice, was a pioneer of American space exploration. His first flight was aboard the Liberty Bell 7 in 1961, and he returned to orbit in 1965 on Gemini 3. Grissom's legacy continues as one of NASA's original Mercury 7 astronauts.
Question 7. What is the name of the space telescope that was placed in Earth's orbit in 1990? Is it A. Bubble, B. Hubble, C. Trouble, or D. Toil? The answer is B. Hubble.
The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has captured over 1 million observations, revealing the universe's secrets. Its most famous image, the Pillars of Creation, showcases towering columns of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula. Despite initial flaws in its mirror, a 1993 repair mission turned Hubble into an astronomical icon.
Question 8. What is the medical term for the condition that causes heartburn? Is it A. Heart disease, B. Pneumonia, C. Acid reflux, or D. Gastritis? The answer is C. Acid reflux.
Acid reflux, medically known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a condition where stomach acid frequently flows back into the esophagus. This backward flow can mimic the sensation of a heart attack, leading to its nickname heartburn. Interestingly, GERD affects about 20% of the U.S. population weekly.
Thanks for tuning into our science and nature quiz. Remember, in the garden of knowledge, there's always room to grow. Until next time, stay curious. Herb Microscope, I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.